Hey everyone, welcome to For Breakfast Art Hub. My name is David. Today we're going to build this Lego space kit with a robot dog, and a rocket. Today we're only going to do for robots. If you're interested, follow along with me. Look at our wonderful robot. It's got a balloon in its hand, it can flash, and it can do cool moves. It can move like this, move its head, has electric wire here, and has a rocket booster. See, when you push it, it flashes. Very cool, huh? Look at the gears. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon!